In this video, I'm going to show you how to sew curves. This example uses a drunkard's path block, but the process is the same regardless of the curve shape. You will need one inner and one outer piece that you've cut, whether from acrylic templates or paper templates. You will also need pins. Now, the inner and outer piece might also be referred to as the pie and the crust, or the technical names are convex and concave, because this looks like a cave opening. To start, we're going to fold the inner and outer pieces in half and just finger press the edge. I fold my inner wrong sides together and my outer right sides together, because what you then do is place them right sides together and align the fold like that. Place a pin in there, and next you want to align the short edge with the straight edge of the inner piece, and pin that too, and repeat for the other edge. Now this one is just a 4-inch block, so it's pretty small, and I like to just use 3 pins so that I'm not getting so many pins in the way. The bigger the curve block, the more pins you might like to use. If so, you just want to align these edges carefully and put in more pins. Now I find it easier to put the outer piece or the concave piece on the top, because there's a little bit more fabric to deal with, and it's easier if that's on the top and not on the bottom when you're putting it through the sewing machine. So if you want to use more pins, then that's what it will look like. I like to use 3 pins, and that's what it would look like then. And then as I'm sewing, I carefully and gently maneuver these edges so that they meet, and keep sewing. Take it slow, and if your machine has a needle down option, then you'll want to use that so that when you stop, the needle stops in the fabric and it's not shifting about. So then, let's go sew. Now we press towards the outer piece and we're done.